Hey everybody, welcome back to Heathen Intentions. We're going to do a general reading for the collective, see what kind of messages Spirit has for somebody today. We have guides, friendship, and at the bottom of the deck, we have psychic. We have two of wands. Somebody is trying to make a decision, trying to make a choice of where they want to focus their energy, where they want to move to next. Something else on this decision. It has to do with your spirituality. Give me something on this friendship. We have the Ten of Wands and the Page of Swords. I feel like you've been taking on a lot of things yourself, and you're learning how to communicate clearly what you need. What is this? There's a lot of illusion. Your manifestations are starting to take place. We have the Queen of Cups, who is someone who is very in touch with their intuition, very in touch with their gifts and their magic. We have the Knight of Swords, which is somebody who is someone who is fast and assertive and fearless, and they're just rushing into this like they know where they want to go and they're willing to fight for it. And then we have the Five of Swords, which shows that you're going to have to fight for it. There's going to be a lot of people are going to have opinions about it. A lot of people are going to have, things to say, a lot of lies. Not everyone's going to understand. I feel like someone's trying to open up their psychic abilities. They know that they're psychic. Death card and the Five of Pentacles wanted to pop out. So this is transformation in old mindsets. This is feeling like you're left out in the cold. Under friendship, you have all of this. You're doing all this. There's someone with all these opinions. You're feeling like you're left out in the cold. But if those people aren't headed where you're headed, then you can't drag them along even if you want to. You can still talk to them, obviously, still see them, but you're not going to be able to have the conversations with them that you were hoping to have. Like, you're not going to be able to share your growth because they don't share your ideas or your ideals. So you're going to have to let go of that in a way that, like the temperance card, you're going to have to let go of it in a way where you learn to balance out your your anger and your love for them. You're going to have to learn what you can share with them and what you can't. You don't need somebody throwing all their negativity at you all the time because they don't agree with your beliefs. Like, that's not fair. I feel like your guides have been speaking to you, whether it's been in dream work or through meditation, just a calling or a pulling. I feel that your guides have been speaking to you, and that's what's bringing up this decision. You're trying to choose what way to go. You're trying to own the fullness of your power. Like, you're realizing the gifts that you have and what you can offer, looking into your spirituality more and more. And then, like I said, we have the moon card here, which is a card of intuition, but it's also a card of illusion, breaking through. It's a gateway card. Like, you have to walk between these two towers to get there. And that is going to cause conflict with your friends, with people who you've always shared your ideas with. But like I said, not everybody's on board. People feel a type of way. They have a lot of opinions here, which is fine. I mean, you don't have to believe in what they believe, and they don't have to believe in what you believe. That's our choice. That's free will. But I do believe that somebody here has psychic abilities, and they're learning how to open them up, and they want to pursue it. And as much as they would like to have the support of their friends, the fact is they just don't have the support of all of them. Not everybody's on board, which is fine. Not everyone's on board with my beliefs either. I just find other ways to talk to them. We just talk about other things. Another death card, another card of transformation. Like, it's time. It's time to make this leap. It's time to accept that you're different than everybody else, or everybody else is different from you. Not everybody has gifts like this. They're not capable of understanding them if they themselves haven't been blessed with them. We've got the Seven of Wands, you know, finding your own way, lighting your own light, following your own dreams, like shining on your own. And then we have the Father of Pentacles, which this is somebody who owns their shit. This is somebody who knows what they want. They're not afraid to go after it, and they will sit there on top of the world, knowing that they pursued what was important to them. On the psychic card, we have strength. We have strength. Strength is about doing your shadow work. It is about strength. It is reminding you that you're strong enough. But a lot of times we don't know we're strong enough. We don't see our own strength. We have to actually find it. We have to run into our darkness and pull out pieces of ourselves over and over again and slowly build it up. So the strength card is here to remind you that, of course, you have the strength. You already have all of this information, all of this knowledge. Not everyone is going to agree. Not everyone's going to be on board, and that's just going to have to be okay. And we have another Son of Swords. Again, assertively going after your passion, you know, being fearless, jumping right in, not being afraid of who you are. Be authentic. Even if people don't like it. Okay, I'm going to leave it right there. Take the time to tap in, guys. If your friends can't see it and don't want to stick around, then it's time for them to go anyway. You'll meet more like-minded people. If this is your path and this is your calling, don't put it off.